Grandpa. Happy Easter. Oh. Can you say Grandpa?
Now
Hello, little Everett.
There's all this pressure to perform.
Yeah. Now you're gonna be real quiet.
What's a
Real
puppy
quiet.
say? What's a puppy say?
You don't know? Puppy.
Are you gonna go get your puppy? Oh, somewhere.
And then he's gone.
Going to grab his shoes.
No, he's getting his puppy.
Hey, see you.
Happy Easter.
Say happy
Easter.
Remember when he used to videotape us?
I'm videotaping you right now.
You wanna get down? I don't think that's the way to do it.
Above your head.
Like on Wonder Years.
Oh God. I don't think I remember watching much of Wonder Years.
Oh, it was on Netflix. Why are you taking my picture?
Because you're lovely.
Oh,
Lovely Lord.
so beautiful.
Edit that out.
So
And then
beautiful.
Katie's scratching her head.
Yeah, like whenever it gets pretty.
Well, all I see is eyeballs.
Can you smile?
Where'd you get that coat?
I don't know.
Oh, so cute.
It's a London fog also. We didn't buy it for him. Grandma Jerry did.
Cute.
You said enough of this coat.
I think she got it at Herberger's.
Probably.
Burgers.
Herberger's, yeah.
It's cute.
It's a London fog.
That's what I said.
Oh, did Uncle Sam pull out the puppy again? That was nice of him.
You can lay on that puppy. There you go.
What if I just lay on the ground?
Should we pick up your toys?
Yep, let's pick them up.
Oh boy, look at that. Yeah, I better learn that at daycare. I knocked him over. Oh.
One more, Everett. Can you put that one in?
Put that one away. Put the steering wheel away. Good job.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, gotta make sure we get that plate.
Not sure that one turns off.
Oh, alright then. Should we put this away?
Hey, buddy. Just a follower.
Yeah. Grandpa. Look at Grandpa.
What does the dinosaur say?
Oh, that's cute.
I love it. Turn around so we can see the back.
I think it's at church.
Really? You guys.
Grabbed everything.
That was a great
I
big.
thought you didn't tell